All right, just step down and roll. Oh yeah. Nice. Sunshine. Up on the box?
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Let's do it. Yes, ma'am.
Super easy, right?
That was an awesome way to get started.
Good. Yeah, it's just our tester too, so.
Oh,
Things will get better. Okay, let's see. Okay, so.
She done did it before, has she?
yeah, she has.
But she used to. Look at her.
Okay, I got you.
There we go. Him and Izzy. Got a good memory. I'll usually get them. Izzy and Tim. I'll usually get them pretty good, and then at the end I start messing up. It's weird. Alright, go. Ready? Keep going already. Oh my God! Yes. He's already left me. I guess I just ride it, turn around. Just like around. My feet hit it. Take a little bit. Pretty cool. Yeah.
Run it nice and smooth there. And then try to go around this way, up on that box there. Sweet. How was that?
Awesome.
You kept it more steady on that.
I'm just excited for the snow. It's been too long. Yeah. I just like hockey a lot, and I also like skiing, and so
Well, that's fair.
yeah,
That makes sense.
yeah. But
Understood.
you're good to head across.
Okay, I'll see you over there.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
All right.
Okay,
Oh.
let me get my
Yep.
short leg up.
There we go,
There
there
we
we
go. And I hit you with the
Oh, it's all. I was like, where's below us?
Oh, right, yeah.
All right.
Six tours booked all day,
Oh.
and normally in the summer or like in a normal season it's like 20. But whenever you guys are ready, you're good to
We're
go.
good to go?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. Oh, yeah.
There we go. Oh no, you got it. It was just a little far. That's my fault. Don't worry about it.
Well,
Good views all around. The mountains are on the left, the ocean's on the right. If you're nervous or scared of heights, I recommend looking down too.
ooh.
Yeah. That's them coming in. Keep it all. I'm straight. Nice. Elevation. Don't turn. Wonderful. It's cool. Everything is cool. I think I'm slowing down. I'm slowing down. I was going too slow. I'm sorry, Claire. I got on the wrong side.
It's me. I'm sorry. Oh my God.
you go.
Dang it. She was going to buy me my photo shape.
Oh, now you have to buy it for her?
And I told her I was going to get the big one too.
Oh, man.
She's probably going to put them little balls on there.
Yeah, she's going to load it up with all the goodies.
You know what?
It's gonna be like $15
Oh,
for
man. Thank you, my dear.
Of course.
Hold on for me. I just want you to know I was rooting for you. I was rooting for you. Did you beat him? Did you win?
She's too good.
She didn't even give me a chance to say please.
She's too fast. What should
I'm making Claire work. I'm sorry, Claire.
No, you're not.
I'm making Claire work.
You're right, I just said that. And also, I kind of wanted you to get stuck because that would have been fun for everyone.
All right.
All right. Ready.
All right. There we go. Made the box.
That was a goal.
There we go. You're getting better and better each time. Don't let anybody tell you different. I know Nate.
Kenny, can
Don't-
I take you home?
Whatever Nate says, he
Go signal
yeah,
room? I can do that.
he says it behind your back. I don't care what Nate says about you. You're great at zipline.
I don't know. We're going to have a conversation in private. I think.
Nate was telling me.
Oh my god. Did they ask you guys your favorite bird yet?
Not yet. Favorite animal?
Oh, he asked your animal. He likes to ask your favorite bird. So prepare for that.
Okay, be prepared for
Start
birds.
thinking about birds.
Got it. That's a good one. Seagulls.
I hate
Oh yeah. On the run. Always over. I hate it. But I'm enjoying it. So this is.
Okay, there we go.
My bad, Claire. I thought I was gonna make it again.
Not. It's not your fault. You're just light as a feather.
All right, we got.
You're making me weeble wobble. Oh, somebody's running. Doing it. I don't know who's doing it. Somebody's bouncing us. That's you. That was you doing that walking. Oh. Oh no, guys. I think this is the last one.
7 already?
I think this is it.
That's weird.
Ready?
Yep.
All right, let's do it.
Oh, get him up. Woo!
All right. Oh, oh,
Get upside down.
yeah.
I'm a chatter. You know this. You know this.
Come on.
I do care. I'm just over here talking.
Took on a bit of a wedding and everything, and he didn't even see. I mean, I was like,
All right, I promise everybody I'll look on the next one. Just don't
Okay.
talk to me after I catch it.
I'm sorry. He-
On belay. On belay. Chatter low. One second. Okay, yeah, one hand on the blue. You got it. Big step, big step.
Oh, there you go. There we go.
That's the drop.